I'm Professor Yi Li from Department of Materials, the University of Manchester. My research covers face masks, PPEs, smart textiles, and their applications. Now we apply this technology for combating COVID-19 pandemic. Up to date, COVID-19 has caused over 30 million infections and over 950,000 deaths globally. Research findings show COVID-19 can damage many of the key organ systems in the human body. Almost every part of the organ system. So it is identified as a systematic disease. Currently, no effective treatments is available. Even vaccine can take many months to come. More importantly, the COVID-19 protective immunity seems short-lasting. Reinfection cases has been reported in many countries. Herd community immunity is questionable. The lockdown measures has caused substantial social and economic damages to many countries, including UK. Premature lifting the restrictions can cause disasters. As we have seen, the second wave of infections has hit many countries in Europe, including UK. Now the question is, how can we get our life and our economy back to normal and live with the existence of the viruses? Up to date, the key effective measures to control the pandemic, including prevention, detection, contact tracing, quarantine, diagnosis, and treatment. In fact, science and technology innovations can help to develop technical solutions. In terms of prevention, masks and the PPEs can be re-engineered to give better performance. For instance, we can redesign the face mask from surgical N95 to make a better protection by stop the transmission, alter transmission pathways, reduce the social distance to 0.5 meters, and capture and kill inactivated viruses. In a similar way, we can also re-engineering the PPEs to make them more comfortable, better protection, and reusable. By doing this, we can effectively reduce the transmission rates and shape the trend of the pandemic. In terms of detection, testing, and diagnosis, e-textile wearables can be very, very useful technology. For instance, we can use e-textile antennas, very small, fun and comfortable, breathable to wear. Integrate with the fabric sensors, which developed with graphene and 2D materials. Integrate this together, we can use your mobile phone to detect all different types of physiological signals, such as breathing rates, heart rate, body temperature, sweating rates, which you can use your mobile phone to scan and get the data. For instance, use this app. You can use your mobile phone to scan the temperatures, which shows your temperature done automatically and send it to the cloud automatically. So this is a very effective way for diagnosis and testing and devices. In terms of contact tracing, wearable technology are also very, very useful. So with the technology, we can utilize this wearable technology to supplement the testing process in the hospitals. And by using the wearable technology, we can obtain the data through your phone, send it to the cloud, which can feed back to you after computation. And by using this, for instance, you can use a special designed app which you can type and scan by using special designed, very simple and cheap fabric scissors devices. You can see the data. And this system can be further utilized to develop a cloud system which can provide data services for individuals, for hospitals, for the pandemic control authority in the region, in the country, even global services. Therefore, we can build a quick response and a protective defense system by using wearable technologies for contact tracing and pandemic control. Together with the advanced face masks, PPEs, then this system can be very effective and low cost to stop the pandemic COVID-19 and prevent future pandemic. We have the knowledge and the skills, capability to achieve this goal. Let's work together.